Hello yogis, welcome back to our channel Indian Yoga with Krishna. I am your Guru Krishna. So guys, as you learning a new yoga pose every day, today we also want to learn a very useful yoga pose, especially for who have weak heart and lungs, who have very weak wrist, very weak, the elbow or the shoulder muscles, and very weak, the immunity power or digestion system. Then you must watch this video till the end. And end of this video, if you find this useful, then subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon after watching this video. So now let's talk about what we are learning today. So guys, today we are learning that's called Chaturanga Dandasana, or in English you will say four-limbed pose. Yes guys, this is the one yoga asana that we are going to learn today. So guys, there is other benefit also, but let's learn this one, practice this one, and then we talk about everything else later, like the other benefits and the precaution and everything. So now let's just learn it. So for that you just need a yoga mat. So just pop on yoga mat, and then and this one is kind of like our traditional push-ups, but it's a little bit different, and you can say very low plank position. The first you just relax for some time here in this position, and after that little bit just put your hands, your palms just before your shoulder line, just a little bit before your shoulder line, okay? And then lift your body and just like this just touch your this toes and your palms, that's it, and face straight. Don't put so much, don't do like this one, no, or don't do like this one. Just be there in a slant, in a kind of like a stick. So be like this one, hold this position, breathe normal. You can breathe normal here, and when you finish, just slowly lay down, relax again, and go for one more time. This time we'll do a little bit this variation, or you can make it more intense. So for that, just lift and then just little bit shift front like this. It will give you more intensity, okay? And then slowly down and relax. So that's how we do four-limbed pose or Chaturanga Dandasana. So now you learn this one, and if you're new, then at least do it 5 to 7 times every day, and hold your position at least 30 seconds each time. And if it's very hard to hold 30 seconds, then go for at least 20 seconds, and then gradually day by day increase, like 20, 25 and 30 seconds. So that's how we do it. And now the benefits. The first major benefit is that it's to give you good strength to your lungs and your heart, because when you're putting so much pressure there, it's almost out of breathe. When you're doing it, you kind of just out of breathe. It's to take so much strength, stamina to hold your position there. Also, it's very good for giving you good muscle strength to your wrist, because you one kind of like almost like more than 70% of your body weight you're holding on your wrist. And also very good for your elbow issue. If you have a slightly discomfort in your elbow issue or alignment, then it's very good for that. And very good to give you good strength and to your shoulder muscles. It gives you good broad chest. And one more thing, it's very good for your stomach area. If you're looking for the good immunity power, if you're looking for the good strength from your good strength core muscles, it's give you that. If you're looking for the good immunity, the digestion system, is very good for that also. It's a kind of overall very good for your body muscles, body toning. So that's all about the major benefit. Now let's talk about who should not do it. The one thing, who's having a major this heart or lungs issue, please avoid it. And if you have high BP issue, hypertension, then please avoid it. Rest, they can do it. Now you watch this video till here. As I mentioned, please watch this video till the end. So you're watching here, that's mean you will like this video, and now really I support you guys. So I need your support, and please subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon so you get more video updates just like this one. And share this video, comment here, in comment section just comment what you like, what you don't like it. And if you have any issue in a suggestion, just comment in comment section. So that's all about the today's yoga pose. Tomorrow we're going to learn something new, something very useful yoga pose. Till then, bye bye. Thank you. Namaste.